In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email using Salesforce Flow. Send email from Salesforce Record Triggered Flow will build a simple, reliable automation that sends an email the moment a record meets your criteria. Start by opening Salesforce in Lightning Experience. Once you're in, click the gear icon to open settings, then choose the option that takes you into the full setup area. This is where we'll create and manage flows. In setup, use the quick find search bar and type flows. Click into the flows page, then select new flow. From the flow types, choose Record Triggered Flow. This type of flow starts automatically when a record is created or updated, which is perfect for sending emails at the right moment without manual effort. Next, choose the object you want to monitor, like lead, contact, opportunity, or any custom object. Define the entry conditions carefully. For example, you might send an email when a status field changes to a specific value. Set the trigger to run when a record is created, updated, or both, depending on your use case. Precise conditions help you avoid unnecessary emails. For the optimization option, select Actions and Related Records. This tells Salesforce to run the flow after the record is saved, which is required for actions like sending emails. On the canvas, click the plus icon and choose Action. In the action search, look for Send Email, then select it and give the action a clear label so it's easy to recognize later. Good naming helps with maintenance and troubleshooting. Now configure the input values, add a concise, meaningful subject, and write a clear body. You can personalize the message using record fields so recipients see relevant details. For email addresses, provide one or more valid addresses, be consistent with formatting, and consider using fields from the triggering record when appropriate. If you already use email templates, you can reference a template within this action to standardize content and branding. Keep your message professional, include context for why the recipient is getting the email, and avoid sensitive data in the body unless your processes require it. When the action is set, save your flow, use debug to test with a sample record so you can validate the conditions, confirm the email preview, and check for errors without affecting live data. Once the test looks good, activate the flow. From here on, whenever a record meets your defined criteria, Salesforce will send the email automatically. If messages don't arrive during testing, double check deliverability settings, user permissions, and the email address formatting. That's it. You've created a record triggered flow that sends emails precisely when you need them.